1. The law of intentional silence. Silence is strength. The loudest minds are rarely the most intelligent. Speak less, observe more. The majority react emotionally. Stay quiet, analyze, and strike with precision. 2. The law of strategic detachment. Detachment is power. Control your emotions, or they will control you. Don't get emotionally entangled in things you can't control. This is how you rise above average thinking. 3. The law of controlled energy. What you feed grows. Protect your mental energy like gold. Focus is a superpower. Avoid gossip, distractions, and aimless consumption. Guard your attention. 4. The law of delayed gratification. Winners plan long. Losers want it now. While most chase instant pleasure, train yourself to love discipline and long-term rewards. 5. The law of reversed thinking. If everyone thinks one way, consider the opposite. Majority thinking is often lazy and fear-based. Think differently, and you'll 6. The law of identity over motivation. Don't try to stay motivated. Become the person who doesn't need motivation. Build a strong identity rooted in habits. The majority wait to feel good. You take action regardless. 7. The law of calculated risk. Comfort zones are where dreams go to die. Outsmart average minds by being bold, but strategic. Smart risks build confidence and wealth. 8. The law of selective association. Show me your circle. I'll show you your future. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. Distance yourself from those who drain or distract you. 9. The law of relentless self-education. Outlearn them and you'll outperform them. Most people stop learning after school. Read daily. Question everything. Feed your mind with power. 10. The law of ownership. Blame is easy. Ownership is rare and powerful.